Senator.
Ma'am, yan lang. Kami yesterday lang.
Which hearing?
Will you attend today's ito, ma'am?
Will you cover my hearing on basic education? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Pag will you attend later? Pero kung
Issue po ng mga college.
alin na po yung majority?
Ma'am, to answer our question naman, are you attending?
Halaga itong mga problema sa basic education.
Yes, ma'am.
Nakikinig
Sa
naman kami kanina.
K-3
Nakinig kami.
foundationing, K-3 foundational learning, sa ADAPA School Program, at yung pag-create ng bagong SDO offices for DepEd.
Pero ma'am, bakit wala kayo sa session yesterday po?
Ay, nandiyan ako mula umaga, yung napasa namin sa BICAM, yung Tertiary Education Act.
So, mamaya may session po, mamaya.
Teka, may CR break ako, babalik ako.
Ayan, later mamaya.
Mamaya, ma'am.
Ma'am, mamaya?
So,